Want to log into Pokemon Go but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to log into Pokemon Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the app in your device. Here you have two options. If you already have an account, then tap on Returning Player. But if you don't have an account, then tap on New Player. You can sign in with Facebook, Google, or Pokemon Go Trainer Club. So choose any one option. Now choose the Gmail account that you want to sign in with. And that's how you can log into your Pokemon Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.